Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from Brilica Services. Today we will cover in this session how to use mixture brush for skin retouching. So without wasting time, let's start. Firstly, see what's the difference between after retouching and before. So this is before retouching image and that is after retouching. Let's do it again. Okay, we have one image. Firstly, you will duplicate the layer for comparison. Now just we select our mixer brush from here. Now just clean air of your mixer brush. Manage your settings of your mixer brush 20% wet, 16%, 57, mix 90%, and flow 69%. So let's try, and if it is something wrong, we will change the setting again. See, okay, it's looking too strange. Let's change the management again. Soft brush, wet, and this is fine now. So drag your mouse on your face. Now you can compare your previous or after editing image. Now just change the color of the lips. So I'm just using rough selection. Okay. Go to adjustment layer and choose solid color and add on color. Okay, I'm using pink color and just go to multiply, goes to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, convert to smart object, and just increase the, and it's fine now. Now just add on layer mask and use eraser to remove extra part of the color. And I think so this is fine now. Okay guys, now it's your retouching image is final. So that's it for the video. We will meet in next video with new challenges. Thanks for watching.